So in this video, we'll be looking at how to use Microsoft Excel slicers to filter table. From my screen here, you can see a set of data that has actually been pre-formatted as a table. So make sure that whatever set of data that you're working with is pre-formatted as a table. And before you can activate the slider feature, make sure you're within the table section. Is all right? Then you go to what? Design. Then you can now see what? Insert slicer. Is that okay? So if you're outside the table section, you'll notice that that option will never come or be visible to you. So make sure that you're within the table section, then go to design, then you can now see what? Insert slicer. Is all right? So slicer is used to filter content within the table. So click on insert slicer and it will automatically pick out the different table headers for you. How about that? So you can just select any of the headers that you want to filter with and you click OK. So supposing you want to filter for products, and you can now go ahead to hit what? OK, and it brings up this for you. One beautiful thing about this slicer is actually that it's very colorful, so you can decide to select different styles for it. All right, so selecting different styles for it, just like you have different designs for your table, so you can select different styles for it. Then you can now go ahead to play around with all these buttons. You can increase the width, you can increase the height and all that. So but this is not actually what we want to achieve in this video. So what we want to see is how to use it to actually filter this data. So for every product item I select, is going to tell me how many of it is on the table. So you can actually use it supposing you have large amount of data. If you notice also, each of the products select one at a time. I cannot select multiple. So how do I select multiple? You can activate that feature here, multi-select, so or Alt S. So you can select multiple to see how many of those items are visible. It's all right. So when you click on the one selected, it will deselect it. This is just like an intro to slicer. We'll eventually make a more advanced video on how to use slicer. But if you can do this, definitely you know how to do the advanced. So at any instance, you can decide to do what? Deselect all, or just click on this clear filter and it will deselect all for you. So how do you close up the slicer? Because if you notice, if I click outside my slicer, it's still here. So you can just at any instance right click inside and you see what? Remove products. Is okay. So remove products, then you can now go back, design, then insert slicer. Then you can now add all this and you'll see it here as the case may be. So you can filter, you can do this and all that. So if you are having more than one product, that means you like intersecting the filtering. Is okay. So make sure that you do it very well, or else you might not get any results at all. Hope you got value in this video. We made the video before now on how to use the Microsoft Excel table like a pro. You can go ahead to watch that video now. The link is on your screen. Also, go ahead to support our channel, Microsoft Excel Made Easy, by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Also, like and share this video. If you want to be notified, go ahead to turn on your notification bell icon. On your screen is a video on Microsoft Excel VLOOKUP. Go ahead to watch it right away. Excel Made Easy.